Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. I introduce to you the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. This is the latest and greatest in the Challenger family. I love the style, how it brings back the classic designs from the 60s and 70s muscle cars into today for today's consumers, and it actually stays true to the classics we know and love. We're going to take it from factory fresh, drive it, whip it, customize it, and then you're going to get to see my design as well. Let's go ahead and take one of these bad boys out for a drive. But can we contain the beast? Stay tuned to find out here in Dream Car Garage, episode 2. This car definitely gives a crazy ride. But if you're liking it so far, hit that like and subscribe button. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Welcome to my design of the Dodge Challenger Demon. As you can see, I love the old school look. I took it back, way back to the 60s and 70s styling with the chrome bumpers on the front and the rear. I went with the carbon fiber on the Demon hood, as well as a kind of silver stripe on the side, just to give it that old school flair. Let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is. Huge shout out to Microsoft, Take 10 Studios, and Playground Games for making the best driving game out right now. I definitely can't wait till Horizon 5 comes out. And as you can see there, we got the music credit, Bomb Music. Check the info below.